Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to join ChatGPT plugins waitlist. Now if you don't know, this week ChatGPT released two new features: web browsing and plugins. If you're subscribed to their paid plan, you will get either or. But for example, if you got the browse one and you want the plugin one, here's what you need to do. You just type in Google how to join ChatGPT plugin waitlist and click on the second link, or you can just type in open.com/waitlist/plugins. You enter your first name, last name, email, country of residence, experience, sources, and how you want to use plugins. And then just click waitlist. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.